Instagram, YouTube, Brad Taylor here with Anthony Brown's picture. This is his skull picture we've been working on. Been trying to teach him some techniques on shading. Come over here real fast. I'm going to show you guys a couple techniques. We're using charcoal, and I'm going to show y'all this is a 2B charcoal pencil. We've been working the shade from dark to light, dark to light. We got a light source coming in from behind the roses this way. So it's going to be real dark on the edges, lighter towards the center. And all I was trying to do with Anthony, I got a couple videos up already. But what we're doing is, let's go with a 6B because that one's not dark enough. We're going to take this 6B or 4B charcoal. We're going to start on the edge right here, and we're just going to show how to roll a shade into this picture. Every now and then, guys, you got to twist your pencil. You'll see me rotating my pencil every now and then on this. And the reason I do that is because it really, these pencils get flat and they'll work a groove in it, and it'll end up cutting into your paper. So you got to do this. It's very important to blend to roll your pencils. But anyway, you'll see how I work this charcoal in here real easy. Like, this is a good techniques. You just got to be careful because you can overwork your paper. I feel like this paper is starting to get a little overworked. I can tell by the way the charcoal's coming off on it. But I'll show you guys my technique. Take a blender now. You got a blender here. What you do is start on the edge. I'm really going to blend this edge in hard because it's starting to get overworked. And we're trying to get a shadow here. You go lighter as you go. These blenders, you can pick them up for a couple bucks at Walmart. Last time it was Anthony drawing, this time it's Brad. Just to show you guys these techniques. What I do is I build up my layers after layer after layer. Really blend that. You see that edge right there, y'all? There's a line in between, a difference. You can see a major difference. You don't want that. So we're gonna roll, blend this. Oh, we're gonna roll this out. I call it rolling. It's just shading, working your shade over. That's what I need you guys to learn right here. It's what we're going to start teaching in this class, how to shade better. Let's come back in with a darker one here, a soft. This is a charcoal stick, guys. I'm going to take this charcoal stick. So what y'all do is, and I'm going to start blending it a little better. This is real soft here, so this will really put the charcoal down because this paper's kind of overworked already. It's starting to get overworked where we're trying to teach. Put a couple of YouTube videos up and stuff, but I'm just gonna put a little bit of soft charcoal in here. It don't have to be perfect with this stick. So what you do is you come back into the blender and blend it in. Okay, now take your blender, come back in. Go like this. It'll blend that in. It'll take it and throw that charcoal everywhere. And get it up in the edges.
You see it throwing it.
Yeah, it starts just blending it in. Is what we're trying to do, guys. Let me go up here on the side. I'm going to start y'all out up here on this with a fresh piece to show y'all how I'd work this paper. You can get an F. This is a regular pencil here. Alright, this is, like I said, it's Brad Taylor. And guys, check out my YouTube channel, what I love to draw, 24-7 Brad Taylor. What I'm going to do is I'm going to throw some pencil in this. And you got to be perfect at first because everybody's got their own techniques. This is a good technique to learn to use with, though. Put a little bit of shade. Like I said, the light source is coming in from behind, so if it's coming in from behind, this rose right here would be blocking this even harder. So this would be even darker right here. What you do is just throw some pencil in there. Let me move this. Start out like this. Get lighter as you go, push less as you go. Start out pushing a little bit harder, let off. Roll your pencil constantly. Every now and then you got to roll that pencil. Start out harder, let off. You'll hear me say that a lot on here. That means a lot. Just keep going back over it until you get the right shade you want. And I'm going to come in with a blender. I work the heck out of these blenders, y'all, because that's my favorite way to draw is on blender. Take your blender, come in there, and I watch the difference in this and that side there when I do this blender. And your edges here, if I over blend, you can come back in and clean that up with an eraser, so you don't worry about that so much. You're going to see a major difference in this picture. I'll show you this half versus that half. Okay, see the difference in that and that? Now you come back in with your pencil, your F again, and start all over with the process. You're just building up a layer of shade here. And, okay, so I'm coming in, start working that pencil real good. And then you'd move up to a darker pencil, which would be like a, find this here. These ain't my set of pencils, HB, so an HB is a good one to start with. HB, Bs are darker, and the bigger the number you start out with an HB, it's a little less dark. You end up going to a 2, 4, 6, and then an 8. Now look at the difference in this once I'm done. and then in that right there, because of these blenders. These blenders really will work the shade in. Kind of just tag teaming this picture with Anthony here. Like I said, I'm trying to teach him how to blend a little better, shade a little better. But also everyone here on Facebook and YouTube and Twitter, Instagram, I'm on all of it, fellas. Hope y'all are liking the videos, and I hope they're helpful. Anthony, you've learned quite a bit from shading with me, right?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, see, even with this, I get lighter as I go, and there's strokes you can use, certain strokes. Now we got that. Now let's go to a 6B here. Really, I'd go to a 4, but it's hard to find here. All these pencils are scattered.
I'm sure I got one.
Start out here.
I didn't even know I had this, but I have a 6B charcoal.
Sweet. We'll have to use that later in there. But start out dark, and you just ease up on your shoving as you go. You don't want to push too hard. Now roll your pencil a little. And it's really important, y'all, to roll that pencil. You have to roll your pencil. You got to remember what I say. You roll it, or it'll make your picture look all scratchy. All right, sweet. Leave that right there. I'll go over in just a second. All right, everybody. Like I said, this will just make a big difference. Now look at the difference in that and this. Like I said,
sketch pencil, that thing will lay
go like that. Now we'll do it later. I'm about to end this video right here, buddy. I'm gonna let you work on it. It's your picture. Okay, check this out when I'm done, guys. Anthony's gonna put some more videos up. We're gonna come back in with an eraser and make it highlight some spots with that 2B. We'll do one more thing here. 2B charcoal. Okay.
6B.
6B. Where's your 2B? Right here in my hand. Okay. 2B charcoal or pencil here. Basically, these edges to be cleaned up. Sorry, I'm trying to rush through it, but it's just the concept of it. Like, guys, if I was working on this, I'd do it just a little bit different. I'd take my time a little more, keep it a little bit cleaner. But I'm just trying to teach y'all a concept here. Start out pushing harder. You go lighter as you go. You can go broad strokes or however you want, but anyway, you can start seeing the shadow, the shade. We're going for a shadow here, like, you know, like if you look at a person, anyone who looks at people, you can understand what I'm saying here when I say I'm not really the best teacher. It's just you want to go from dark down here to light. It just all depends on your light source. That's the main thing. I'll show you all a wide shot of this, holding it up, so you guys can understand this a little better. It's all about your shading techniques, guys. These blenders, you can come in and actually work the edge out of these pictures like this. You don't even have to put any shade down. Once you use these blenders a little bit, they start picking up lead and like charcoal for this instance. And these things got good little tips. You can really work a picture really good. Like the edge. Watch how much this picks up the charcoal and stuff. Anthony's sighing over here. He thinks everybody wants to hear him breathe real hard. This thing will really blend it. Okay, check it out real fast. Back up there. See how it's starting to get the 3D shape, guys? It's really starting to make it look. Let's go back here. Starting up top, it's getting darker where the light source is coming in from behind back here. That rose is going to, this side's is dark right now, but this rose is really going to cast a shadow down here. So what it would be is real dark up here, and it rolls into a lighter shade. Like down here, we're going to make this solid white to really make this skull pop. But we'll show you more videos coming up here soon, you guys. Brad Taylor signing out. Peace.